Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to forge Enhancement Ore in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch a game via the Epic Games launcher. And once you're in-game, search for a blacksmith, which looks like this one right here. So this blacksmith is called Wagner. To interact with it, just go near it and then press F. So, and then select the second option, which is add like something made. So here are all the materials it can forge. Search for enhancement ore, which is right over here. So the materials required are 2 iron chunk. If you have this in the inventory, just click on the start button right here and the blacksmith will start forging it. So as you can see, the blacksmith has already forged my enhancement ore. So to claim it, just click on this obtain button right here and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!